What is love? Is love is mystery? Love is sacrifice? How many sacrifices do I need just to have a genuine love? Love can make you happy, but love can make you cry. There's a lot of people who make you feel special. There's a lot of people who give you a lot of sweet words, flowers, chocolates. But that is love? Is it real? Before, I felt that no one could give me a real love. To family, friends, boyfriends, all that is only making me broken heart, making my heart and my eyes cry. A lot of years, I believed that no one could give real love to me, was only God and myself. But one day, God sent me a genuine love. My man. My man. He is the warmth in the winter, the spark in my soul. With just one touch, the world fades, and in his arms, I am whole. He is my favorite melody, his laughter the sweetest song, and every heartbeat whisper his names, like I've known him all along. He loves me in every quiet ways, with eyes that says, I am yours. No need for grand or loud displays. His love is felt in every pose. He is my safe place, my wild adventures, my safest night, my brightest day. With him, I am home. I am fearless. I am loved in every way. My man.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you.